Okay guys, so we got this Chrysler 200 and they said the airbag light's on. So let's see. Yep. Airbag light's on. Let's buckle the seatbelt, see if the seatbelt light goes out. There we go. So there we go, airbag light. So I scanned the car. We got this passenger side Airbag Squib 2 shorted together. Let's go back. Let's go in the occupant restraint or occupant controller. Let's go to live data. Let's go to airbag. Passenger side airbag. Disabled. It's enabled. Okay. Present. Let's just clear this code and see if it goes away. Actually, I didn't try this yet. It says active. Thought we would have had some live data. Nope, doesn't go away. So I was doing some research because I scanned this and then customers and that show up. I don't think ECU information is going to give us anything. We're just missing a lot of data in here. I thought it would give us more data than that. Oh, maybe it's because it's in the occupant. Is there an airbag module too? Steering angle sensor. Nope, I guess that's the only module. ECU configuration. I don't think this is going to be it either. Nope. That is weird. So it says it's enabled even though we got that fault code. So let's see. I printed out a whole bunch of stuff here. I printed out the skip the wiring diagram because I couldn't find it on the diagram at first. I'll show you guys what I did find afterwards. So here, I looked it up in Protoman. It shows the lines right here. It says Squib 2 is shorted together, so that's that one. It says airbag. I couldn't find in here where it was at. I'll show you what I ended up doing. It says there to connect it. Let's see right here. Disconnect passenger airbag squib. See, it doesn't tell you where it's at in here, which I thought was odd. It tells you to check it. We're going to try to use the AES wave test, and then it shows to check the resistance here. But pin 20 isn't used according to the diagram. So let's put these back. So I did. So I looked there, and then I came on the diagram right here, and then I found. Where's our first diagram? It's 2 and 3. Here's 1. So I went down through here and I looked at 20 and 24. They want you to check. So that's right here. Oh, I guess they want you to see if it's shorted to ground. No. What is 24? So I think it's on this connector. 20 ground and pin 24 are not used, so I don't know why they have you check the resistance. But I looked and I saw airbag squib passenger. Plus or minus these two. Blue and white and blue and violet. So if we look, they come over and they come up here, right side of dash. So that's this one. So we need to get in here to these wires so that we can check it. And hopefully we can use our U-activate, put a resistor in there, see if they're shorted, see if the code goes away. And if the code goes away, then we know we need an airbag. So I'm going to do that right now. And we'll go from there. Okay guys, so our color was blue and white and blue and violet, right? So come up here I pulled down the glove box here. Go up here. Blue and white and blue and violet. So that's that one. So we need to get this one apart. Oh, that came right off. That wasn't even like clipped on. Would that be our issue? Yeah, somebody didn't clip that in. It's not clipped in. There we go. Now it's clipped in. See, now it don't come off. I can't believe I took that off. See if our coat goes away. Oh, look at that. We fixed it. I spent more time trying to look these codes up and find out where this thing was. Look at that. Stored. No parts needed. This is like what do you call it? This is like a oh, what's that company called? Not a company, shop. Pine Hollow Diagnostics fix. Let's see what their radio codes were. They were stored in microphone sensors. Okay, so I'll tell them about that. I don't know if they use the radio or not. So I'll save this. I'll print it out. So I hope you guys like this one. Yeah, if that didn't work, I would have used the AES Wave U-Test kit and put in the resistors. They come with a bunch of resistors, like it's like 2 ohms to 2.4 ohms, and see if the light went out. Because when these plugs are disconnected, there's 2 contacts inside there. When you remove the plug, it ain't plugged in, and they short the wires together, so the airbags cannot be accidentally deployed. They literally short together. And then the airbag has an internal resistance. That's how it knows if the circuit's good, because it sees the resistance value. And then, like when they're unplugged, like I said, they short together. Any of those yellow connectors, they always short together no matter what they're on. If they're on a battery, whatever, if it's a yellow plug, they short together. So you can't just probe the front and measure resistance. You have to have something that removes the contacts in there so they don't. So hopefully that helps you guys. See you guys later.